During construction, you'll hear the restaurants and the gas stations. Oh, they love it. They're smiling ear to ear.
When I first heard the wind farm was coming to town, I thought that would help us economically.
When they come into the community, the dollars start flowing more rapidly.
Economic development in our township or even in our whole county it's huge. Anytime we're approached about green energy, it's a huge benefit for the township.
Almost immediately when we started seeing work, we noticed an increase in our business with the wind farm being here.
Since the wind farm has started, gosh, Lee, the boost to business has been incredible.
It was all, they used as much local help as they could do.
For us, the wind tower project is a huge thing for us. It employs our people. It keeps them for 2 years selling materials, keeping our trucks running.
It really was a stimulus to the entire community. Our bankers gained, our retail places like restaurants, convenience stores, gas suppliers, welding supplies.
Our local gas station has been busier.
Of course, our RV parks are busy, ferries are busy, motels are full.
Campgrounds, your hotels, your restaurants, grocery stores, gas stations, the car wash, everything.
A gas station, a pizza place, and these places was packed. I mean, it was huge.
General stores, other restaurants, grocery stores.
It helps the local restaurant and the motels, I'm sure.
They like spending money here. They support the local gas stations, grocery stores, restaurants, bakeries.
Any additional income that's generated within a community due to some economic development, which the wind towers really are, is going to be probably most of it spent right in that community.